This is Sean. He's on a DevOps team that's part of the digital payment domain at a financial services organization. Sean wants to implement a high degree of automation in the release pipeline. As he commits code and merges feature branches in source control management, he needs build, test, compliance, and deployment processes to kick off automatically. The XebiaLabs DevOps Platform includes powerful integrations that support automation of the software delivery process from code all the way to production. With XebiaLabs, you can build reusable release templates and ensure that best practices and advanced deployment strategies are applied consistently to every release. And XebiaLabs' declarative deployment model ensures that Sean doesn't have to write complicated scripts or build step-by-step deployment flows that don't scale. Let's look at some of the release templates that Sean uses. This template models a release train pattern for teams that use the Scaled Agile framework. Here, tasks identify components that are ready for the release train and package them as a dependency set for deployment. This template also automatically provisions cloud-based environments that will be used for automated testing and tears them down after testing is complete. Finally, it will trigger the deployment of the application to both on-premises and multi-cloud infrastructure. Let's look at another template. This template models a Canary deployment. It drains traffic from Canary servers and then removes them from the load balancers in a cloud-based environment so that an application can be deployed to them. The newly deployed application will only be made available for use after the environment is automatically validated. While people from across the enterprise can use XebiaLabs' graphical user interface to create release templates like these, DevOps team members like Sean might prefer to define templates as code and maintain them in source control management alongside infrastructure definitions and application code. Of course, one of the most important parts of the delivery process that Sean needs to automate is application deployment. The XebiaLabs DevOps Platform takes a define once, deploy anywhere approach to environment modeling. DevOps teams can declaratively define resources and artifacts into versions that can be deployed across environments. Sean simply chooses what he needs to deploy and where he needs to deploy it, and XebiaLabs does the rest. It automatically maps application components to the target environment infrastructure. It also automatically replaces the placeholders in the application with the right values for this particular environment. XebiaLabs uses the combination of declarative resource blueprints and environment-specific configurations to generate a deployment plan. After the deployment is complete, the technical release of the code is done, which Sean can see in the relationship view. This view also makes it easy for other stakeholders, like product owners and release managers, to see the real-time status of the technical release of a user story and where it fits in the larger context of one or more feature releases. For deeper analysis of the delivery, Sean can use the release dashboard. Because it's embedded into the automated software delivery pipeline, it's guaranteed to be accurate and complete. With the XebiaLabs DevOps Platform, Sean can automate the software delivery process while taking advantage of best practices and advanced deployment patterns. Thanks to XebiaLabs' declarative approach to environment modeling, Sean doesn't need to write or maintain custom release and deployment scripts, so he can easily scale up to automate processes for new applications and new environments. And XebiaLabs automatically captures all release and deployment data, so Sean can analyze the delivery process for bottlenecks and deliver audit information when required. To learn more about the XebiaLabs DevOps Platform, visit XebiaLabs.com.